talaga ang mga manonood.
So sobrang gaan, baka lumutang na po sila. And siguro, I think, hindi lang because of the show, but I think because lahat tayo, aminado tayo that we are all going through the same things as Filipinos. There's this, para kahit paano sabi mo, may ibsan kapag alam mo hindi ka nag-iisang dumaranas ng mga paghihirap ngayon. Lahat tayo may shared na galit. Lahat tayo ay, sasabi ko, may shared na pagtatanong sa mga nangyayari. And siguro, even if we don't speak much about politics, just the fact that we are all on the same boat, na nasa ganun tayo, that feels good already because alam mo hindi ka nag-iisa. At alam mo, bukod sa'yo, marami pang kagaya mo na, you know, so I do the same thing. May mga ganun din pagtatanong.
I think, add ko lang, ganun ka-powerful yung music, di ba? Na sa 3 oras na nandun magkakasama sa show, lahat, makakalimutan natin lahat ng problema natin. Makakalimutan natin lahat ng worldly things, di ba? Alam yun? So, hindi lang yung audience, pero kami rin. Dahil iba yung enerhiya na binibigay pag nandun eh. So, nawawala na rin kami na euphoria na sa amin, di ba? So, I think yung energy, yung positive energy na nanggagaling dun sa show, Love Sessionistas, title pa lang, may pagmamahal na. Di ba? So, alam mo yun, parang ano lang yun eh. Hindi mo madadaya yun. Hindi mo mapateke yun or ano yun, yung energy na yun sa show namin. So, yeah, I think yun yung magandang abangan at i-look forward nila dahil sigurado kami paglabas nyo nung concert, good vibes kayo. Masarap siya sa puso.
We can't promise what, you know, kung ano yung magagawa nitong show na to para sa inyo. Kasi,
nag-promise na tayo.
Hindi. Wag ka muna makialam. Okay lang. Hindi, we can't. Kasi, syempre, hindi naman namin na kung ano yung tatama sa inyo. Well, what is for sure, ang tema kasi nitong grupo na to ay sama-sama. So, definitely,
sama-sama, tapos lumalis.
kakasabi ko lang eh.
Sama-sama nga tayo.
Sama-sama. So, definitely, you will feel that in the show. Sama-sama tayo. Hindi lang kami. Sama-sama tayo lahat. Sa pagkanta namin, you will be involved. You will be one with us. And, you know, kung ano man yung magawa nun para sa inyo, that is it. We offer what we can offer, but one thing's for sure, magkakasama tayo.
Yung question ko sana, ano eh, para kay Aiza kaya.
Naririnig naman po.
Aiza.
Okay. Anyway, congratulations to kay Aiza dun sa...
Kasi, more than anything, siguro, while that is powerful also, there's also power in going to the theater and experiencing the concert and actually relieving yourself with all of the noise that's happening outside. But of course, if our artists would want that, na parang magkaroon ng platform for us to like really use the concert to speak up, you know, in the way that they know how, which is through music, I'll be more than happy to really support them because yun nga eh, they are gifted with this art and platform na maka-affect, maka-influence. And sa nangyayari ngayon, yun, siguro isa-isa na tayong hinihimok at tinatawag na gumawa ng mga sarili-sarili nating ambag and contribution. Siguro kasi lang on my end, personal experience ko, my own politics became a chip on my shoulder to be of service. So, because when we say politics, hindi na lang naman yan nakadepend dun sa ano ba talaga yung paninindigan mo at paniniwala mo. It's normally, whose side are you on? And Aiza and I are never about that. We're always about what's good for the constituents and yung pinagsisilbihan namin. So, I also don't want to impose my own politics sa mga ganitong klaseng plataforma. So, ako, I defer to the group kung anong gusto nilang gawing direksyon. And I, as their creative director, will definitely create that space so that ma-accommodate natin yung ano man yung sinasaloob ng kanilang puso.
Although ako napapansin ko kay Ice na he's been doing it.
Passion pa ka ba? Medyo ano mo naman tabi? Actually, I wrote a song before. Hindi siya sumikat. Nakalimutan ko yung title eh.
Lupang Pinangako.
Lupang Pinangako yung title niya. Nasulat ko yun way back dahil sa frustration ko sa politics. And siguro yun yung song na gusto kong kantahin, if ever. Because, kasi bilang isang tao na nakapasok sa public service, I thought your ideals are enough. I thought your principles are enough to actually keep you doon sa loob. But I left. I couldn't stay because I couldn't stand that public service becomes politics. So, andun ako ngayon na parang sobrang nadidisillusion na ako sa mga nangyayari. Wala ako mapagkatiwalaan kahit sino. Na parang whatever side you pick, parang they're always thinking about themselves and not really for, not really thinking about all of us. So I think that song is perfect because parang sa may line na parang sobrang tagal nalimutan ko na yung kanta. Pero parang huwag magbingi-bingihan, huwag magtanga-tangahan, huwag magbulag-bulagan, hindi yan ang kailangan. Huwag mo hahayaang ipikit ang iyong huwag mo hahayaan ang takpan ng iyong mata ng piring na madilim at paikot-ikutin ka sa puso malalaman ang mali at ang tama, isigaw ng malakas ang iyong paniniwala. So, I will forever be myself. And if there's one song I'd like to sing, that would be this one.
Ako may naisip na ako. Sorry. Okay, I heard Ice, kinanta niyo tong kanta to in one of our, when we were very, very active for, to support the Lumans, yung mga indigenous people. The title of the song is Imagine. It's a Beatles song. And I feel like it's very appropriate kasi ang daming noise, di ba, sa politics, sa mga nasa gobyerno natin. Pero kasi tayo rin, ang pinakamagagawa natin bilang tao is huwag tayo maging part ng noise na yon. Maging part tayo nung ano yung nararapat na hindi tayo nagkikiling on one side or we're pushing our own agenda. So I think Imagine is a perfect song because the song really represents a striving for peace, a striving for equality, a striving for recognition of our differences. And I think ito yung kailangan nating gawin, na respetuhin natin yung pagkakaiba ng isa't isa. But at the same time, alamin natin kung ano ba dapat yung sinusulong natin para mas maging maayos tayo.
Thank you. Finally for me, Ice, since we're on the subject, saan ang hirap mong mahalin Pilipinas?
Hindi. Hindi mahirap mahalin ng Pilipinas. Masarap mahalin ng Pilipinas. Pero may mga Pilipinong mahirap mahalin. I think that's different.
Thank you.
I agree with you.
Si Junjun madaling mahalin.
Junjun Marley.
Ako si Junjun Marley.
Hi,